Alright, WMC, here is the video to find the winner of my mystery box number 4. So we'll check the time here, June 30th at 4:42 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got June 30th at 4:42 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Oop, let's put this in here. I just put that in there. Come on, what are you doing? I just had all this in here. Number 4. All right, we'll do that again. All right, so we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Shane. Spot 5 is our winner. So, Shane, you will have the 4th selection of the mystery boxes. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 30th at 4:43 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.